Welcome back to the Car Reviews, the channel where luxury meets power, and where every machine we explore is a statement on wheels. If you love exclusive design, futuristic features, and uncompromising comfort, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Today, we're about to dive into one of the boldest luxury sedans ever made, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S600. This is not just a car, it's a commanding presence, a rolling fortress of elegance, and a showcase of what happens when Mercedes-Benz lets its Maybach division go completely all out. The 2026 S600 is unapologetically large, unapologetically powerful, and designed to dominate wherever it goes. Whether you're the one behind the wheel or being chauffeured like royalty, this is a vehicle that refuses to be ignored. Let's begin with the exterior. From the moment it comes into view, the Maybach S600 makes its purpose clear. It's longer, wider, and more visually aggressive than any standard S-Class. The front grille is pure Maybach, vertical chrome slats set into a massive gloss black frame, with the iconic Mercedes emblem floating above the massive hood, like a crown. The new multi-beam digital headlights are slimmer, yet more powerful than ever, and they feature Maybach-exclusive detailing inside the housing. Chrome surrounds the lower air intakes, while an optional illuminated Maybach grille gives the car a glowing, magnetic look at night. Along the sides, the Maybach S600 rides on 22-inch forged wheels, with the signature Maybach monoblock design, in either chrome, obsidian, black, or even two-tone platinum and graphite. A thin chrome strip runs the length of the body, visually connecting the front and rear in one elegant line. The dual-tone paintwork, a Maybach signature, is deeper and more reflective than ever, thanks to a new 7-layer hand-polishing process. At the back, ultra-slim taillights, integrated chrome exhaust finishers, and a full-width light bar make it feel like a luxury spaceship. Every inch of this car says one thing: ultimate road presence. But the S600 isn't just about looking good. It moves with force. Under the hood lies a 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine, handcrafted by AMG and tuned for Maybach smoothness. It produces 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, all sent to the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Despite weighing nearly 3 tons, the S600 glides from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. With nearly silent acceleration, the ride is managed by e-active body control, Mercedes' most advanced suspension ever. It uses cameras to scan the road 1,000 times per second and adjusts each wheel individually to eliminate bumps, body roll, and tilt. It even leans into corners slightly like a motorcycle. The result, a ride so smooth it feels like you're floating. Now let's talk about the interior, where Maybach magic truly lives. Open the power-assisted doors, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines opulence. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, deep-piled carpets, polished wood inlays, and real metal finishes. You don't just see the luxury, you feel it. The front seats are thrones. Each one offers 18 adjustments, ventilation, heat, and massage with a hot stone function. The armrests and center console are heated as well. The ambient lighting system offers 64 colors, animated effects, and even syncs to your driving mode. In the rear, this is where the S600 goes into full executive mode. The 2 rear seats recline up to 43 degrees, with leg rests, massage functions, and deployable ottomans. There's a champagne cooler between the seats, with handcrafted silver flutes, dual 11.6-inch entertainment screens, wireless headphones, rear seat climate zones, and a touch tablet in the center. Armrests give full control over every function in the car. The sound system is a 4D Burmeister high-end 36-speaker setup, with speakers integrated into the seats and headliner, delivering not just audio but vibration, sound you can feel. There's also voice control throughout the cabin. Say "Hey Mercedes," and you can adjust the lighting, seating, music, navigation, anything you want, just by speaking. The system even responds differently to each passenger's voice and seat location. Technology is fully integrated, yet elegantly hidden. The MBUX Hyperscreen now spans the entire dashboard in a seamless panel, with haptic feedback and AI-powered suggestions that adapt to your habits. There's also biometric recognition, augmented reality navigation, and Level 3 hands-free driving available in selected markets. And Maybach has gone even further. For 2026, the S600 now includes rear-wheel steering for incredible maneuverability in tight spaces, automatic opening and closing rear doors, and an exclusive executive chauffeur package, which transforms the rear cabin into a rolling lounge, complete with folding tray tables, leather-lined pillows, and a Serenity sound mode that blends soft music with calming ambient tones. And let's not forget about safety. The 2026 Maybach S600 is packed with everything from adaptive cruise and lane keep assist to rear pedestrian detection, night vision, and active evasive steering. It even includes a pre-safe sound system that plays a specific tone milliseconds before impact to prepare your ears and and reduce injury. The price starting at around $245,000 and easily crossing $300,000 with all the bespoke options. The S600 isn't meant for the average buyer, but for those who demand presence, power, and perfection. It's one of the most complete ultra-luxury sedans on the planet. So, here's the big question. Would you choose the Maybach S600 over the Bentley Flying Spur or the Rolls Royce Ghost? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this brutal beauty, give the video a like, and make sure to subscribe to the car reviews for more exclusive content just like this. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a luxury reveal or performance. Deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.